What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I have some parts on the way for the SC, but they're not here yet, so I'm gonna work on the other car. Let's go. This is my Highlander. I use it to transport my camera gear between gigs, and it's reliable, but as you can see, the trim has faded over the years. I've been using the Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer, which is around $10. It's easy to apply, and it lasts on my car for about a month. Obviously, results will vary. Today we're trying the Gtechniq C4 Permanent Trim Restore. I'm starting by prepping the surface by removing oils and grime. Then adding tape so I don't get trim restorer on the paint. And start coating. Then I'll use the microfiber towel to even everything out. And repeat. Okay, so it's been a week since we've applied the trim restore, and as you can see, it's faded a lot. But we've also had a lot of snow, which means we've also had a lot of salt on the roads. So I'm planning on doing another coating in about a week when the weather gets better. Alright, also just for context, all the reviews that I've been reading on this coating said that it should last for about a year, even though it has permanent in the name. I wasn't expecting a permanent trim restore. I just wanted something that I could apply every 6 months, every year, and I wouldn't have to worry about it. The Meguiar's is great, but every month I have to reapply the coating, and I don't always have time to do that. I'll update you in the next video on where we're at with the trim, and we also have more SC400 content coming very soon. Anyways guys, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment down below, holla at your koala, I'm out.